Hello and welcome to Karlova Design channel again. I decided this time to make something with a quilted detail, so here's the tutorial for the quilted card holder. As always, you can find the link to the pattern in the video description. Let's get started. I used veg tanned Buttero leather for the main part, like back and the front panels. It's about 4 ounces, quite stiff. I think the stiffness is quite important in this project. Then for the quilted inlay, there is goat skin, something around 1 ounce, soft and elastic would work. And I think you could even use some fabric here if you want to. And here's some polyester padding, and I think you can use anything soft like foam or whatever, even like cotton or something like that. So here's the pattern, and the dots for the quilting are in a different color, and I'm going to show you how to make this cute little thing. Let's start with cutting out the pieces. This pattern is designed to use with 4mm stitching irons. First, I'm punching the quilted part, which is the same on the front panel and on the quilting inlay. Cutting out the inner part of the frame will be much easier with the help of round punches in the corners, and then you just cut the 4 lines and there you go. Sand and burnish the inside edge of the frame. Take whatever material you will use for padding, cut out the piece the same size as your quilting inlay, cut it out and put it in between the front panel and quilting inlay and stitch them together. As there's no particular order of stitching, here I drafted a scheme how I did it. You can do it in any order you like. Pay attention to those holes that are close to the edge. Do not confuse them with the holes that are used to stitch the frame. Trim the excess of the padding material if you have any, and then since this is a polyester, I will finish it with the lighter to melt any hair that sticks out. Now let's take the frame and stitch it down to the front panel. I took a piece of quite a thick leather for the closure. It's not necessary, you can use anything around 5-6 ounces. Punch the hole in the front panel. You have that hole on the quilting inlay, so use that to know where you need to punch it all through. And stitch the closure to the back panel. Attach the closure to the front panel. I use button stud or Sam Browne stud. You can use a snap. And the final stage is stitching the back panel and front panel together. Please notice that the top part of this big seam around the frame is done only on the front panel. Back panel does not have holes for it because we still need to be able to open it to put the cards inside. Maybe it would be more comfortable for you to start at the top part and then stitch the back and front together. I also doubled the stitches next to the opening on both sides to reinforce them a little bit. That's it. All we have to do now is to sand and burnish the edges, so everything is neat and nice. Take a bone folder or whatever you have and help it take the shape inside to open up a little bit. That's all. You can find the link to this pattern in the description, and I also have a 50% discount on all the patterns currently. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.